Alrighty guys, welcome back to another video. So you guys are going to watch in this video us catching longs on ES earlier this morning. I did trade on two different portfolios today, so I ended up trading on my options portfolio and I ended up catching some SPY calls, and I also traded on my SPX portfolio as well. So I did end up catching that, but I got filled really late and I got a late entry on my SPX portfolios. As you guys saw, or as you guys will see in the video, some of the members of the Discord caught 5R, 6R, 7R because we all trade together and we caught out these trades live. But for me, myself, on my SPX portfolio, I only ended up catching like 3R. And then on my SPY portfolio, that's where I actually made big money. I caught I believe like a 6.5R on SPY, which you guys can see here, the screenshot as well for my my SPY calls that I ended up taking. But anyways, guys, hope you guys enjoyed the video, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Again, remember, if you guys want to trade with us live, where we're calling out these trades, you guys can take these trades too and learn order flow. Make sure you guys click that very first link in the description, and I'll see you then.
All right, let's see if we can get a point dip here.
Yeah.
Point dip. Stop being too picky. We're being picky here. Oh my God.
The POC just shifted up.
Yep.
Yeah, it is holding. I'm kind of like on the edge of this high volume node.
Seeing some
The
aggressive
70,
buying
the
start to hit
67s
here.
are still holding.
All right, that was a pretty large trade on the ASP edge. Just not super large, but they're getting bigger on the ASP here. I might try this right now. Fucking torn. Should I? Should I do it?
I'm thinking about it too. I like how these 67s are still holding after those bids got filled.
Yeah, I'm trying it.
Order filled.
Oh, fucking late, dude. So late. Oh my God, bro. Screen is fucking frozen too. Come on. All right, I'm gonna have to go 3-point stop on this to keep this valid.
The late fills.
Oh my Lord, bro! I pressed it and it popped up a good point.
The late fills.
All right, let's see if we can ride this momentum. That is a wide stop loss. I'm not really loving that. I'm not gonna lie. 3.25-point stop.
And then entry at the
Could be a safe stop loss, though. And
See if we can
stops
ride this
basically
momentum.
under the low. Let's see
Yo,
if we
guys,
get
my confirmation for that. My confirmation for that was I'm looking at Chris's book map here, and I saw that first large trade on the ASP hit, and then I saw another one come in that was bigger, and then you see how it kind of just developed on that first push up. That was solid, dude.
Yeah, I think we're gonna see a break of this higher day now.
I'm just gonna put my order in at the 80s for now.
Order submitted.
Wait, you take profit?
Yeah, I'm just gonna put it there for now. I think if the momentum continues,
61.80.
yeah, it's not a great risk reward ratio for me. I'm not gonna lie. That's like a 3R, but
You got filled late.
I got filled late, dude. I pressed the button and it freaking popped up 1.5 points. I pressed it at like the 68s. I'm filled at the 69.25.
I got a decent fill on one portfolio. The other one's okay.
Yeah, this one I'm in at the 68.25s.
That's
Yeah,
nice. I like that a lot more than mine.
Yeah, I'm just around the same, Chris.
My stop is at the 66s.
I would like to push through these 71s with some aggressive buying. Hold it again.
I'm gonna go break even once that high gets taken out. I'm not gonna do that until the high gets taken out.
Yeah, I think that's best. That's what I'm thinking.
We gotta give it that wiggle room.
Can't get. I'm not gonna get break. I was already pretty much at a 101, but I don't want to get break even so early. But
Oh, I like how we just reloaded some bids here at the 68s.
yeah, you see that? Damn, the book map is insane.
All right, Chris, tone the glazing down.
Nah,
It's actually
that's
insane, dude. That
so
I
much,
use
bro.
that
It's
shit for
so
my
much easier
confirmation
to
right
see
there.
that see shit than the dom, bro.
Yeah.
It's just a different visual representation. That's all it is.
Yeah, and
Yeah.
I'm a visual learner.
Same here, bro. Same here.
Like, This just helps. I want to see us push through the 71s with some aggressive buying.
I want to go get myself a chalky milk real quick, but
Chalky milk is crazy,
ooh.
bro. You're a grown ass man.
That's
I'm also-
a great idea.
I'm
Raul,
al-
that's solid. I'm drinking milk right now. I wish this shit was chocolate.
I'm a grown ass man, also a multi-millionaire with a $5 million car in his garage. If I want to drink a chalky milk, I'll drink a chalky milk.
Nah, the motherfucker the other day, I don't know what it was that one of our boys said. I think he like wrote Raul, and he goes, "Don't forget to put millionaire in front of that." I was like, "Motherfucker."
No. Multi. I don't know who said millionaire. It's multi.
My bad. Multi-millionaire. Juan knows exactly what I'm talking about.
Bro, it's just, I don't know. I don't know how many Hispanics we have in here, but bro, you guys ever drink a cold Nesquik, bro? Or a cold Milo, bro? Like, oh my god, bro.
Bro. That shit was gas.
Bro, what you do is you grab Milo, put it in a blender, some ice, some milk. Oh my god, that shit is like it just feels like my soul's gonna lift out of my body and just like excel. I don't know how to describe it, bro. It's the best, bro. Yeah, I think we're gonna push right through these highs, bro. These sellers are struggling here. I would like to see us clear through these 171s. See if these offers get filled. But I know we're gonna at least push up into those offers at the 171s. We do need to clear through those offers though if we're gonna keep pushing higher. You know, with those offers there, it's tough, bro. I don't know if I want to go to break even.
I'm torn break even here, right? It's torn. I'm torn.
Yeah, because with those offers there, like, I could, you know, and play it safe, but I still feel like we're going to push up and we're going to blow right through these offers.
430.
Because these stock market buyers are always greedy as hell, bro. And the fact that we had a POC shift higher shows that we're conducting more business higher. But it's a tough one. I don't know if I'm going to do break even or not.
Yeah, I'm way too close to break even on this to freaking, at least for my trade where I'm positioned.
Well, I have two
That's
different.
fucking ridiculous fill, bro. I can't believe that shit.
Yeah, I entered on two different accounts. I had a horrible fill on one too.
That took me from like a 6R to a 3R. Because I have to have my stop at the 66s.
Well, you know what, bro? If we push up into the 200s, then you're good.
Yeah, facts. 30 point gainer. I'm in at the 69s, guys.
I think we should just hold to all-time highs, bro. To be honest.
Guys, I'm sharing my screen. We're calling it out. It's all here. You just gotta look.
I'll hold to the.
Open your eyes.
I'll cook my two combines if this shit flies.
Yo,
I'll
what?
accept them. I'll cook my two combines that I have. I'm trying to have all 5 accounts.
Yeah, bids just reloaded here. The 72s.
Yeah.
That's what I'm saying. I wouldn't want to dip below this like the 71s again, or else I might cut it. Bro, realistically,
Yeah, once this holds above that previous high, I'm gonna move this to break even. Nah, fuck it. I'm doing it right now.
I'm already up.
No reason for me not to.
Hold it.
Holy
Really?
lag.
realistically, bro, it's tough to say where we could push up into because the next area I have is literally like 195, 200.
Yeah, I've got nothing until pretty much the 195s and then obviously the 200 and then the 206.
Where were your guys' stops? Where were your guys' stops?
My
Mine was
stops
at
over
the
the cluster.
66.
Yeah, mine was at the
At the
66.
66?
Yeah.
Guys, if this goes to 200, or like even anywhere near that, it's like a 12R, 12 and a half R.
Yeah, if I make 30 points on 3 points of risk, that's a good 10R.
Bro,
So
if we
I would not
push
be
up,
unhappy.
if
I would
we
not be
push
unhappy.
up to the 200s, these contracts, my premiums, oh my god, bro,
You're cooking?
I'd be fucking cooking.
It's looking like the buying is
You
here.
got the Fed over there or something, bro?
Oh, it looks real good seeing that
Yeah.
candle just approach my target. That's a good looking thing.
It looks
right there.
solid
I
to
got
keep.
some offers at the 74s. and bids reloading at the 70. I mean at the 74s, and then offers at the 24 and a half.
Yes, I'm break even. I believe they are too.
Yeah.
Yeah, I've got nothing really up until the 200s.
Neither do I.
Chain smoke some darts for kissing excellence. We haven't kissed excellence just yet. Not just yet.
Bro, we need to see we need to see another strong pop up, bro.
Smoking darts is great.
We're still not like fully in the clear. Once we can start to trade up in like these 75s, then I'll be very comfortable.
Yeah, like 75. Yeah. A share and upper decky, I'm down.
6185s,
just
I'd make
so
about
bad,
16 points. Wouldn't be unhappy with that. I gotta find an area where, guys, it's a balance of finding an area where
We've just
you're
pulled
not
back to
gonna-
this large absorption here at the 71s.
Yeah, the shit needs to hold here.
I wouldn't want to get under
You
it.
see that high day get taken out again.
Yeah. We got aggressive buying coming up off of those 71s.
Yeah, there are bids in here. There are bids. Pietro, that is
There's bids at
Kinda
the
feel that,
70s.
Pietro's calling it right now. 7R.
7R. All right, Pietro. I'll buy you lunch if we hit a 7R. All right, bro. I'll be back. I'm gonna go to the kitchen.
Word, fucking word.
Right here.
I think we could see 200, bro. I don't know if I'm asking for too much. I know it's not Christmas.
I'm
Santa's
leaving
not
mine.
coming yet, but I think we can
I'm
see
leaving mine at
200.
the 85s. Mine's gonna be at the 85s for now, personally. If they're really strong, I'll keep moving it up.
There you go, G&G. That's my setup.
That's fire. I'm liking that, dude. That's so sweet.
It's a very rebel.
I'm not gonna lie, bro. My fill. So I took the trade on 2 portfolios. My fill on the second portfolio, ass, bro, ass. But on my first portfolio, ridiculous.
On the footprint, so I'm not gonna double record.
I mean, bro, if we push up to 200, yeah, it's like a 10R for me on one and like an 8R on the other.
Yeah.
It's crazy what a few points could do in difference for risk reward, huh?
Nah, if this shit goes to the 200, this is a 14R. For me.
For me, it'd be like a 10 and then an 8.
Should be crazy, bro. Let me see exactly. It would be a 14 and a 14.11.
It's just, bro, I don't see there being any other resistance in the way, and especially now that we're breaking through these highs, bro, with some strong aggressive buying, like we should just push. I guess really the question here is trade management. You know, how do we want to trail stops and stuff? I'm probably gonna start trailing once we get to the 77s.
I'm already floating a.
Well, I'm at break even. I'm not floating in
Yeah, I'm
profit.
not trading just
I'm
yet.
not trailing in profit. Not break even.
I don't see. Like I'm not looking at my trading chart. I'm looking at my top step chart. I'm looking here. There's nothing. There's no other like resistance level
That's what I'm saying. Like,
there.
you could check any time frame you want, bro. There's no real resistance. Check the hourly, check the 4 hourly, check the
Yeah,
daily.
I'm looking
There's
at it.
nothing
It's
till the
fucking
200, bro.
pre-game all the way to the 200s, pretty much.
And I feel like these stock market buyers, bro, these fucking greedy motherfuckers are gonna be like, yeah, let's push it.
Yeah, same. I'm up like 2.5, pretty much.
Well, on my first position, yeah, I'm up like 2.5. All right,
Oh.
there
Yeah,
we go.
okay, they're here. They
Next
they are
momentum.
here. I'm up about 8 points on this right now, guys.
These offers are getting hit here at the 78s. Wow. Can I speak? Fuck.
I don't think you can.
Bro, clearly.
All right, 180s is the next push. I'm gonna trail on one portfolio. On the other portfolio, I'm gonna leave it alone.
Yeah, I'm moving my stops to the 71s to pay for a stop I'm not gonna move it any higher than that yet.
And I was thinking of going.
I get sketched out moving my stop in too deep, man. I get sketched out. I feel like there's pros and cons.
Yeah, 100%.
I was thinking about
I
going.
want to ride this
on
momentum.
this one too, bro. Fuck.
They're doing a lot of business right up here at the high. If this pops up, it should be a nice pop.
So, to make it simply.
There we go.
Oh,
yes,
oh,
yes,
oh
yes.
my God.
Yes, did I call that
It's
shit? I
3R.
called that shit. All right, where the hell am I going to get out of this?
Go.
Where am I going
Let's
to get out
go.
of this thing?
I don't know where to throw my stops. Damn.
You went in with 10 contracts? Woo!
Ah, fuck.
Bro,
You're having a good morning.
I was about to go with 5 contracts.
What the hell?
on this.
All right. There is some aggressive selling hitting here. I think the buyers are going to work right through that, to be honest.
Yeah, I think
I don't
so
know.
too.
Should I?
We're
I'm
pushing.
torn
We're
on where
pushing
the
hard,
fuck I want to
bro.
get out of this shit.
I don't know where the fuck I want to get out because I feel like if I want to try and hold to the 200s, I'm just being a greedy sack of shit, bro.
Yep.
But
Straight up.
are you-
But like low key, like. But
I'll
like-
make 16 points. If I get out the 85s, I'll make 16 points on this. I'm not unhappy with that.
Bro, definitely trailing profits, bro. What do you guys smoking crack or some shit, bro?
Yeah, no, for sure.
What do you guys say? Should we trail in profit, bro? Trail in profits, bro.
Mine are at the 74.
Smoking crack.
So securing a 3R at the 74.
Fuck, I can close right now and be up fat on the day, bro. This shit is still pushing. You know what, bro? Yeah, my options contracts. Oh my god, bro, we're pushing heavy, bro. I don't know where I want to trail. That's the hard part. I could trail under this absorption here at the 80s, trail at the 79s.
I'm at the 74s. I chose to the 74s, so securing 3R if it comes back down, but I doubt it'll come back down like that.
I'm closing one position. I'm out on my options
You
contracts.
are-
I'm out. I'm out on SPY. I'm out on SPY, guys. I decided to just close one of my portfolios. I have my other portfolio still running.
Yeah, I'm gonna hold this to the 85s, I think, because I have a little bit of a level. I have a little bit of a level at where's this previous high? No, that's a 62. I'm tripping. Yeah, never mind. Never mind.
I don't know, bro.
Yeah, fucking let this thing ride. I'm letting this thing ride. Theoretically, this area in here should get support. I don't think they should give back all of this below the 75s. I think at least the 75 should hold. Like, that was a good, strong rally up. You know, they came in and they just lifted the offer. On that pop-up, we saw that volume done at the 77s, and they popped it up like 5 points instantaneously.
I'm gonna trail my stops for the 75s practically.
That's why I have mine at the 7. Well, I have mine at the 74 as a point under.
Yeah, but I was in on some 0 DTE contracts, so
Yeah,
I just
mine's
wanted to
up
get out.
3s.
Yeah, we gotta get past these offers.
I made like 40% on those contracts.
Big seller coming. Let's see if it gets let's see if we pretty much have no follow through with these sellers.
Ideally, we have to get back up above these negative deltas. There is an offer at the 82s. There is an offer at the 82s. Let's see if I see any other ones up there. Yeah, that's all I
Yeah, we
see.
gotta get past these 82s where we have some pretty big offers here. No, I'm not, Andre. I don't know who it was that asked, but pretty simple on understanding the heat map. So anything above current price is gonna be offers and on the ask, and then anything under the current price point is gonna be bids on the or if you want to call them yeah, bids. And you get like the current order book here, so you get to see the current orders sitting at those prices, and then any of the.
I'm just gonna close it and lock in profit.
Fuck.
4R, 2.5R, 5R, 6.5R. Got a shit entry, not gonna lie. Yeah, one of my accounts got a shit entry too. 7R, 7.5%
I'm out,
gains
guys.
on my
I'm
small
fully
lab
out.
account.
Secured a 4R.
4R.
Hell
Hit
yeah.
my 4R exactly per trade. 5R, 5R. I'm up 4K on my funded account. Passed another one yesterday. 4R, 7R, 7R, 5R, 7R. It feels great to know that you guys are catching some nice moves, but it fucking sucks that I only got like 3.5R on one of my accounts. Like, what is that, bro? 3.5R?